Hello, beauties! It's your girl Shayna Latrice. Beauty content is all I release. So, if hair, fashion, makeup, and nails is your vibe, then girl, you need to subscribe. So, in today's video, I'm going to be showing y'all how I achieved these French knotless braids step by step. I received non-stop compliments everywhere. I was already basking in baddie energy, but I said, let me go forth and fetch Mulan, aka Asia. We got together, had fun, took some pictures. It was really cute or whatever. I cannot stress this enough. Preparation is everything when it comes to doing your own hair at home. So we want to make sure that we're washing and deep conditioning our hair. We want to make sure the night before we even start braiding, we have our braiding pattern down pat. So that way the next morning we could just get started on our hair. We already have the blueprint. We just have to go through the motions of doing the individual braids. I love that the hair came with a crochet needle and a pack of extra rubber bands. They must have knew your girl was a repurposed queen. And I also love that it came inside of the netted bag as well as the plastic bag. You know, protection on top of protection is what it was given. So I like that little one thing they did. So after I finish braiding half of my head, I am going to be showing the beginner girlies in this video how to do a knotless braid up close, in personal, and in detail. So make sure you're staying till the end of this video. I am going to be dropping gems. So I'm going to tell you guys some of my tips and tricks when braiding my hair at home or just doing my hair at home in general. Number one is definitely preparation. So we want to make sure we're doing our wash, deep condition, and blowout routines. That's number one. Number two, that's probably going to be make sure that you're entertained. Put on your best show. Put on your favorite songs. I definitely had SZA, Summer, all that playing in the back to keep me entertained. Make sure you have your favorite snacks. You know, this your day at this point. So just make sure you have your favorite food ready to go. Even if you have to meal prep your meals for the day, your kids' meals for the day, get all that stuff ready the day before because you already know it's hair day. Three is probably going to be braiding gel. You don't have to put it on your scalp to make sure your parts are clean. I just used my rat tail comb. But when I get to a certain point of braiding my real hair down, before my real hair comes to a stopping point, I just put the braiding gel on my real hair and of course the braiding hair, and that kind of seals in my real hair so I don't have any hair coming out of the braid. It just looks more cleaner and neat, and I also feel like it's protecting the ends of my hair as well when I do that. To begin a knotless braid, you're going to be starting with just a regular braid, and then you're going to add in the braiding hair. So you're going to separate your hair into three separate pieces: the left, the center, and the right. Where you want to place the braiding hair is going to be right in between the center and the right. Then you're going to just pretend that you don't see the braiding hair. You're really just holding the red hair, just for reference in this video, and you're just creating a regular braid, and it's literally that simple. I tried learning how to do a knotless braid back in quarantine, but I just couldn't get it. I binge watched YouTube University and just all the girlies videos. They were just using all these fancy terms and acronyms, and I'm like, huh? Yeah, babe, I need you to dumb that down for me. Like, what? So I just taught myself in 15 days. And once I taught myself, I wanted to record it, see what I did. And, I tried it another time, like, oh, I actually cracked the code. And, I just been winning ever since. It's like, they're quoting crazy prices, $300, $200, $400. It's like, whoa, that's not even including the hair. Well, let me try to figure this out. So there you go. Group it in between the center and the right piece, and you are going to literally continue the braid as if. I hope that helps. Y'all, I am really proud of myself because I came a really long way. I didn't just decide to learn how to do my hair myself out of the blue. I've never had a perm. I've never had chemicals on my hair. So at a young age, I was always given like the rough hand and, people not knowing how to care for my hair. So I learned how to care for my hair in middle school and in high school. So I would literally just go to school and do my hair in box braids, yarn braids, just any kind of braid, and I would do my own hair, because my mom couldn't afford to get my hair done. Like, it was kind of that. It was like you have no choice but to learn this yourself. And then I grew just a love for it and a respect for it. It's like, I started to love my hair and see it in a different light. I didn't see it as a burden. I more so saw it as, your hair is high maintenance. Your hair is so unique. You know what I'm saying? Like, I really felt Beyonce on that record when she said, unique, that's what you are. Like, for real, y'all. Like, I really do see that now. It's like I can take my hair to straight, curly, afro, like Lupita. You see what I'm saying? You guys see what I'm saying? So yeah, like, I literally I just love that for us. I love that for me. I used to hate my hair, like, seriously. I don't know if it was the stereotypes. I wish I had, better hair because, I think that's what America wanted me to believe. So now I'm just coming to a place where I love my hair down and I appreciate my hair. So I did go ahead and seal my ends with a lighter. Normally I seal my ends by tying a knot once or twice, maybe 3 times, maybe in different directions, but I find that they don't always stay, like, especially when I'm doing different styles, and I do like to style my hair, okay? So I wanted it to give clean girl aesthetic. We are exiting lazy girl era. Everything needs to be neat and tidy, tucked, snip. I'm snipped like a Barbie. Okay. I'm not gonna lie, y'all, I probably had 15 breaks by now. At one point I ran out of braiding hair, and because this is not just regular braiding hair, of course I had to order more braiding hair from Amazon. So don't make the same mistake that I did by ordering 5 packs of French curl braiding hair. You will need at least 9 to 11 packs depending on how big your head is. So yeah, it took me approximately 8 to 9 hours to finish my hair over the course of 2 separate days. This is the day that I started my hair, and it's like I got up into a certain point and I'm like, where's my hair? I started looking around on the bed. I'm like, I know I had some more bags of hair left, but I was so delusional, I had to go read my Amazon order. How many bags of hair did I order? 5. So at the end of the day, you know, I just started looking around because I was just so shocked that I used all the hair and I have to order the hair. So now I gotta wait for it to come in the mail. I was so salty, y'all. Y'all do not need to make the same mistake with me, because no. Care tips: oil your roots minimum twice a week. Wash your hair minimum once or twice a month. And try not to expose the curls themselves to any water, because you're gonna ruin the curls. These curls can last up to 6 weeks if you're wrapping your hair every single night. If you're wrapping your hair every other day, like me, because I be losing these bonnets sometimes, they'll last for 4 weeks. Definitely look forward to seeing braid refresh, knotless, French braid refresh, French knotless braid hairstyles. That's just a few. If you enjoyed this video, there's plenty more where that came from. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel. You're not going to regret it. Make sure you turn on your post notifications so you can be notified for another one of these dope videos. But until next time, bye beauties. Mwah.